Dear friends, welcome back. In this lecture, I am going to teach you about a persistent variable. Now, you already know about local variables, and I already made a video on global variable. If you don't know about that, you can watch my lecture number 12. Now, so what persistent variable do? The persistent variable is just like a local variable. It is created in a function, but when function ends, the value of local variable is discarded or thrown away. But while persistent variable is keep safe by MATLAB. So when you call function again, and you can do some calculations if you want to do. And what is the application of it? You can use to count how many function is called is one of the application of it. So let's create one function by using edit command. And I'm going to count how many I call function. So let's give name counting function, name of the function by using n keyword and the function. I just forgot C. Yep, yeah. Now, how to create a persistent variable? You can create a persistent variable same way as you create a global variable by using a keyword persistence. Now, name of a variable, I'm going to use times because I'm calculating how many times function is called, so times. And let's use if else. So if say times, I want to check that it is empty or not, right? You can do it by using function is empty. If your function is empty, then it will return a value 1, and if it is not, then it's going to return a value 0. So if it is empty, then I want my value of time variable is 1, and if it not, let's say it's had to be incremented by 1 times plus 1 simple. And if else, and print my variable times, no semicolon because I want it in output. Okay, now let's call the function. So I call first time, then give me value 1. Let's call one more time, is 2, one more time 3. So I can say it's working 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now another question is, what if I want to clear my variable times? There are two ways to clear that. One of is your lucky guess, start the MATLAB, it always works. The second one is using clear command and type the name of your function. Many person do mistake by typing the name of a variable. Don't type the name of variable, type the value of function. Okay. So we clear all the persistent variable of function. Let's call counting again. So it starts from the beginning, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now one more question arises here. What if I create one variable name times same name, and I give some value, let's say I say 100. So what do you assume? It will replace the value of times which I declare in my function counting. Actually, it's not going to happen, and this is one of the best part of the persistent variable, and that's why I use persistent variable when I want to retain this value, not global variable, because in global variable you have to take care of, you don't use the name anywhere, because if you do, the value will be replaced, while in persistent variable it not happens. So my value of variable remain only in my function where I declare it. So this is the most important part. So here I end my session. See you next lecture. Goodbye.